how do dynamic bids work in Amazon and when should they be used? Dynamic bids, basically what they are is there are 3 bidding types. So there are the up and down bidding type, where you're allowing Amazon to, let's say if you are going to bid $1, they are going to increase or decrease the bid based on whatever they are considering that there is going to be a conversion. There is a down-only bid, which is if you're, again, going to bid the $1 is going to be your absolute highest threshold. So anything that is below that, you're going to get a CPC, right? And there's also fixed bid, which means that you're going to say Amazon, hey, here it is $1. I want to pay only $1. Then Amazon is not going to take more than the $1. Occasionally it might take less than $1. And here again, I'm not sure why or like what is the strategy behind, because technically it should take the $1. But that is also a strategy that you can use when it comes down to bidding, especially whenever you want to show up on specific placements and you are also playing with placement modifier.